Room tour, Masuwe Lodge. This is one of the rooms. This is a standard room and most often what you would get when you come to stay. So, stairs here. Proximity of the next one. This is a thatch roof, but the outside is all canvas. Here is your view. Little seating area. And now we head in. These rooms do have air conditioners right above the bed because it can get hot. A fan up top. As you can see, it is all canvas and tent material here on the inside. So in the corner here, we have a little desk, a coffee station, small little fridge below. This is all mosquito netting, which comes and covers the entire bed in the evenings. Coming around to the back. Here is where you have your safe, robes, closet area. Blow dryer is included here. Down there is a laundry bag because laundry is also included here. Hey everyone. Here's the shower area. Your toilet. And then walking around the back side, coming back out to the front, and then heading back out the door.